Okay, here we are with our Dyson DC24, and as you can tell, let's see, we've got a brush bar that's really clogged up. Also, it's not spinning, so the thing to do is get a little penny and just spin it around to there. Now that takes that out, and then you can just pull it out like so. So you see it's pretty filthy, so what we need to do now is clean that up. Okay, so now we're back, we've cleaned that off. Got a lot of hair and string and stuff out of it, and it's a simple case of popping it back in there. Let's get that in. There you go, it clips in. Now we get our penny again and just twizzle it that way to close it again, so it's now locked into position, can't come out. Perfect. And that's how you clean the brush head bar on a DC24. You'll also notice on the side here there's a little red button. Now if this is not pressed in here, then you need to press it in if the brush bar isn't spinning around, and that resets it. Make sure you do that when the thing's turned off. And when you turn it back on again, the brush head bar should be spinning, as long as you press the button next to the power on button up here as well. So sometimes you may think your machine's broken when it actually just needs resetting. So I hope that helps you with your Dyson D24 problems.